Tonight, Fox 13 investigates the death of a man from Heber City 1 week after getting 9 teeth pulled at a student dental clinic.
The man's wife says her husband was sent home from the emergency room 2 days before he died, begging for antibiotics. Fox 13 investigative reporter Adam Herbetz has a preview of tonight's story.
Well, tonight's investigation into the death of a 35-year-old patient boils down to a simple question. Should the dentist or the emergency room doctor have prescribed antibiotics? Joshua Cordery was the father of a 5-year-old girl, and this year he would have been celebrating his 10-year wedding anniversary with his wife, Jamie. She says for years her husband did not take care of his mouth. Medical records show at the time of the procedure at the University of Utah Student Dental Clinic, he already had an infection that spread into the bone and tissue surrounding his teeth, but he was not prescribed antibiotics. A few days later, Jamie says her husband's mouth started to smell and look infected. He had a bad cough, but when they went to the emergency room, Intermountain's Heber Valley Hospital, he was diagnosed with the flu and, again, not prescribed antibiotics. 2 days later, he died, according to the medical examiner, from lung damage, partly due to a bacterial infection.
Hindsight's 20/20, but they ignored what we went there for.
He's been sick, had recent oral surgery and the flu.
And he just got out of the hospital, a couple of days ago.
From square one, I knew it had something to do with his teeth.
Do you feel that antibiotics would have made a difference in this case?
In retrospect, yes, antibiotics would have made a difference, but the question is, could you have known ahead of time?
As you just saw, we have spoken to multiple experts for their opinion on this case. Both Intermountain and the University of Utah say they are looking into what happened. Tonight at 9, we will show you what else the medical records have revealed about this lethal infection. Reporting in studio, Adam Herbetz, Fox 13 News, Utah.
If you have a story you would like Fox 13 News to investigate, send an email to iteam@fox13now.com, or you can call our tip line 801-536-1314. Adam will also answer your questions on Facebook after the story airs.